Smoke. Go. Fire. Go. Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems checked. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action.
Alright, let's get a round of applause for Karma and Carnage right there. Take a bow, boys, for your few fans who are actually clapping for you. And since we're here, do you have any more moves for us? Some dance moves? There we go. Does this deserve a round of applause? A little bit more? No? Okay, third card looks enthused. It's like a golf clap. Oh, wonderful. Karma and Carnage, once again an example of motion controlled robotics.